Hey beauties, it's DeeBeauty here, also known as Shyhaze, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showcasing two of Makartt's new releases that actually launched today. So this is the Eberouge 12 Polygel kit, and I love this kit. Like I said, it comes with 12 polygels. You get a 100/180 nail file. You get your top coat, your base coat, as well as my fave, which is the 2-in-1 brush. So you get the spatula and then you do get the brush on the other side, as well as it does come with dual forms as well, which most of the polygels come with, if I'm not mistaken. So I will be swatching these for you guys as well. The first one is 13701. I love this shade. So as you can see here, that this is more of a silver shade. I haven't seen a polygel like this, so I'm really excited to use it and to actually look at it. And that's a close-up. The next one is 13702. So it may look like that it is black, but it's actually like a dark gray. It's iridescent. It's so nice, and all these shades do have sparkles in it. So this is 13703, and this is a beautiful almost coral shade. And you guys, I'll show you a close-up at it at the end as well, so you guys could actually get a good look. This one is really pretty. It's more of a mauve tone. Really pretty. This one is one of my faves, 13705. It's a baby blue, and it's just like, look at it. You can't ask for a better shade of blue than that. This one is more of a mint tone, I would say, in my opinion. Very pretty. It goes really great with that blue that's next to it. And we have a neon shade, which I'm super excited. I love a neon. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There's also a yellow as well. And these are mostly like jelly. I'm getting a very jelly vibe from it, but you could definitely build it up to make it more opaque. This one is more of an orange shade, as you guys will see. And we have one of my faves, which is this pink. It's like a nudie pink, baby pink, soft pink. Then we have this purple lavender. Like, the last three shades are just the bomb to me. Like, the three is my favorite, and those three you guys will see I'll actually use to make my set of nails with this. And then we're gonna go into the closer look so you guys can actually get a better view of these shades. Also, I will show you guys another kit that Makartt did launch as well today. So here is a close-up. And I do have a discount code, you guys, which is DeeBeauty. You can save 15% off of any purchase on Makartt. And here we go. This is their Starry Night Whispers, which is 6 colors. Beautiful. Like, can we just take a moment and talk about how great these ombre packaging that Makartt has? Like, I love it. I love the way how their top coat and base coat now is this shape. Just the rebrand is everything to me, everything. So again, it does come with 6 polygels. You get your 100/180 nail file, just like the other kit, as well as a 2-in-1 brush. I love this purple into blue ombre. Like, I really love it. And it does come with some dual forms as well. You guys will see me pop this up so you can see the dual forms, and then we'll jump right into the swatches. And it comes with some instructions as well as a coupon code as well, so you could always purchase some more from Makartt. Again, you can use the code DeeBeauty as well. So we're going in with the first shade. Again, the first shades always wow me. This is really iridescent and pretty. Then we have this purple bomb. Like, every color from this one is really bomb. Like, you guys will definitely see that. And then we're gonna go into the blues. Are always my favorite, always my favorite. I love this blue. And then this is more of a green tone. Okay, so we're gonna go in, see the close-up, and now we're gonna go right into using the Eberouge nails. So here we have the base coat that I'll be using, and you want to apply this to all of the nails. And for my nails, I'm using Makartt's full cover nail tips. And this, you could etch them first before you put on the base coat, but I just slap the base coat on and then I'll go in and do everything. So we'll do this and then we'll go ahead and cure that. While I'm curing it, of course, I'm on TikTok. You guys follow me on TikTok, Dina Designing, to see everything that I create. There I go. Hi. And now that everything is finished cured, we're gonna go right into the polygel. So I like to use Makartt slip solution as well. You could also use any alcohol as well, like a 70%, 90%, just to make sure that you're able to blend out the colors. This, I had no idea what I was going for. You guys will see I had no idea what I was doing, as per usual. This is because I just get these kits, and as soon as I get them, I don't plan nothing. I just want to record and show you guys exactly what I have. Like, I just love everything. So we're gonna go into this. You guys are gonna see I'm gonna blob a whole bunch of this on my nail. I'm so used to making press on nails now that I'm like out of the loop when it comes to like polygel or using acrylic and stuff. I'm definitely have to get back into it because I miss it so much. Like, this video made me miss using polygels and acrylic. So you guys are going to see I did figure out that I should actually just do what I know. So I did take some from this finger and apply it to my other fingers and did a thin coat like it was nail polish, and that worked perfectly. Like, you can see it is going on thinly and it's spreading out beautifully, like perfect. So definitely, if you're using full cover tips, I would say try using it like it's a nail polish first instead of actually building it up, and then you could always build it up every time you cure it. That would work as well. So you guys are going to see me do this for the rest of my nails, and then I'll be back. And also, I am back. So I thought it would be super cool if I just add that neon onto one nail. I really wanted to use it, and I already did the nails already, so I was like, why not? So I went ahead, added a neon shade to the tip, and then I'm gonna go ahead, try to blend that out and then cure it. Once I do that, we're gonna go right into designing the nail, making it stylish and cute or whatever. Again, I had no idea what I was gonna do. I have some rose gold glitter, which I love. I have some gems, and these are some rhinestones from Makartt's pink polygel kit. And I'm gonna go ahead, I already put a top coat on all of the nails, and I'm about to go ahead, I'm going to put on the rhinestones, and then you guys will see I'll use some glitter and then some gold foil as well, and then we'll get right into the finished look. Yay! So you guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you want to see more, definitely comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at DeeBeautyForever. Look at the drastic change before and after. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.